Okay, YouTube, we have Project Powerstroke here, and it's raining. It snowed a little bit last night. It's like 41 degrees right now. This is the closest thing you all are going to get to a cold start. So she's dead cold. We'll come in here and try starting her up. There. We'll give her a double go. See, dead cold. Alright, give her the secondary one. Oh, she don't like this cold weather. What the hell? I'll give her another go. She hasn't had this trouble starting before. Almost. Alright, there she is. Took it just a second, but she fired up. So, anyways, there you guys are. There's the first cold start of this truck. Hopefully you guys liked it. She's cold out, so bit of smoke. But anyways, there you guys are.